What's going on, guys? Eric here from Joseph ET. Happy to bring you another video. Obviously you can see here I got the Ring smart lighting solar powered outdoor light. So basically this is by Ring. It connects with the Ring bridge, so if you don't have it, obviously it says right here it's required, so you need to have it so you can connect all your lights and stuff. So if you don't have the Ring bridge, obviously you're gonna have to go out and buy one. I basically just bought this to test it out to see if it's even technically worth it. Technically, for my situation, I really don't need a Ring light kind of anywhere, but I thought, well, let's try it out to see if it's even worth it to have it. I mean, and to show you guys basically what comes with it and kind of like how it works per se. So opening it up the top here, nothing crazy. You got your little stake here that'll go into the ground. Then you got the top of the light, which obviously you can see the light right there, motion censored, and obviously the solar panels on top. It connects like all the other Ring systems. You connect it using the QR code. Then obviously you have your stand here, which has engraving of Ring on it. Then it just connects to the top here. It should just slide right in. Then looking down below here, you got a power cable to charge if you needed to charge it for whatever reason. And there's just more paper, and that's basically about it. So pretty simple, but I'll just show you guys kind of how it all attaches here. So this just slides in and it locks in, nothing crazy. Then this should just slide right down and basically lock itself in. I'll push it down a little bit farther, but you basically just push it down in there and it stays locked in. Then it basically works from there. Let's see here. Nothing really moves up top here. You can kind of see the solar panels. If I hit them just right, you can kind of see the right in there. But nothing crazy. Like this does turn. Okay. Oh, sweet. It does give you the battery. Then all you have to do is just pull the tab. Then obviously it starts working. If you have any issues with it, obviously you can connect it, have power, run lines to this, I guess, if you really wanted to. I don't see why you would, because that's why you have the solar thing on top. But also another QR code. Then you just pull the tab and everything should work just fine. Then obviously it goes back on the same way. Got your arrow, so now it's tightened back on. But yeah, there you go, guys. Pretty simple unboxing, just to show you guys what it's like. You can hook up as many as you want of these lights to your Ring thing. Just remember, like I told you before, you have to have the bridge for this to work. If you don't have the bridge, it will not work with the app, because that's how it connects and does all the stuff that you want it to do. But that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.